as well as they can save the data, as well as they can share the dashboard to multiple users. So these are the capabilities which are newly introduced with 10.2. Now the most important capability, the performance improvement for the dashboard, because for a dashboard, performance is a key capability. So for Cognos Workspace, the major focus on performance was dashboard launch, dashboard interactivity, dashboard creation, and a general performance criteria. So these are the more important themes for performance improvement for Cognos Workspace. So in case of a dashboard launch, so it ensures that initial view of a dashboard, it gets loaded faster rather than loading that report. So the basic idea is your dashboard should be more faster than your report with the equivalent data. So using the Cognos Workspace, it gets loaded faster than the report with the equivalent data in a HTML mode. So dashboard launch is a important improvement in a performance terms, as well as interactivity. So when we compare with the report, the interactivity has to be more faster, because typically the user who will be using a dashboard, maybe generally it's a high-level users like executives and all, or the user who want to get the insight quickly based on the data. So faster interaction is a key capability where user can interact with the data, not just with the predefined content, whereas when we add the custom filters or when we try to bring in more insight, that performance is more faster generally compared to a report. That was a major focus for the performance improvement. As well as while creating the dashboard, when we navigate through the content manager, so it's try to make sure that the performance of the content manager navigation is faster than the experience that we get in the portal. So navigating the not just with the portal, as well as when we expand the report for bringing in the content onto the workspace, Cognos Workspace works much more faster than the its earlier release, as well as the report or a Cognos portal navigation. As well as it's generally less sensitive to network latency now. So even if we have a network latency, your dashboard will give a consistent performance for the end user. So let's see in terms of numbers how Cognos Workspace performs. So these are the comparative numbers on multiple browsers compared to Cognos 10.1.1 Business Insight with 10.2 Cognos Workspace. So here you can see that there is a significant improvement in both the modes. So the first run mode, which gets in 10.2, which basically gets 28 seconds in lab testing, which was taking around 43 seconds for 10.1.1 for a first run, and then in a cached mode also it's almost a double improvement for the performance on Internet Explorer. Similar to the Firefox, it significantly improved, almost double the performance compared to the earlier release. As well as we added support for new browsers like Google Chrome. So on Google Chrome, it's significantly faster than any other browser. So basically where I was taking 28 seconds, so Google Chrome takes 21 seconds to load the data. So these numbers are from the lab testing, where it shows significant improvement over the first run and the cached version, where it basically stores all the layout and look and feel content into the user's browser, and then it just navigates the data. Talking about the real life on the client testing, we have some performance numbers. So if we compare with the Business Insight 10.1, so you can see that there is again a similar kind of a performance observed in on a client for on-site testing also. So where in i9, where it was taking 9 to 10 seconds, it basically takes 4.5 to 5 seconds for i9 for working with the workspace. So performance is significantly improved over the existing version. So it's not just with the interaction, it has been improved on all the 4 focus areas that I discussed earlier. So this version is much more faster than the earlier version. So moving ahead, I would like to just share one of the use case that how you can leverage more based on the Cognos Workspace. So we have an example, like we have a company where they have a dashboard on a particular which focus on the receivable. So they have a dashboard for day sales outstanding, credit aligned by credit aging by region, as well as routable account calculation. A normal dashboard, you can consider a dashboard in your organization where you basically shows the current status of our organization, how it's working, what are the a day level dashboard. In this particular example, we have a current applications for extension to existing credit lines, as well as we have a process defined in the organization which revise the credit limit up or down for a particular organization, which is managed by a different application altogether. Now, a particular dashboard user get to know that a particular XYZ company has recently signed a new contract for service, so they are on the credit extension for new credit limit. So they need to revise the information which is available for a particular user. Now we can use IBM Business Process Management monitoring integration along with the Cognos Workspace to take the context from your workspace to directly to your business process monitoring solution. So this is just an example. We can think of multiple scenarios where we can take the context from Cognos Workspace and pass it to the